Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm currently working on my intros and outro for 4 videos that are about to come up. I have a video coming out today. It is a clean with me, but it's not the clean with me for the vacuum. What I did was 2 days ago I posted a video. That video was really long and I didn't want it to be 20 minutes and you guys skip through it. I split it in 2, so you're gonna get to see the second half of that video, but I promise you by next week the giveaway will be up. That way you guys can see it. I know this video is gonna be titled Clean With Me. The next video is gonna be like extra special surprise clean with me. That way you know exactly what it is. I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of a heads up. So if you aren't subscribed and you're not following me on Instagram, you can go ahead and do that, because that is one of the requirements for you to be entered into the giveaway. I'm so excited because I have used a vacuum and I'm in love with it. It works well. I love it. I love everything about it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this half of the cleaning from the video from 2 days ago. And that's pretty much it. Again, if you're not already subscribed and the bell isn't on and you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So here's the vacuum again. I'm gonna leave a link down below, but again, I do have a video that's gonna be a full dedicated video to this vacuum. That way you guys can get more detail, and I'll do my due diligence to try the vacuum out, clean it out and everything, to give you my full review on it. But at this point, it's a good vacuum, y'all. It's a good vacuum. Something that was missed in the last video is the fact that I did go to the grocery store before coming home to make sure that I had enough items for the kids this week. And we're also going to be having company coming over, so I wanted to grab some groceries also. Right now, I am in my pantry if you are new to my channel, and pretty much I am organizing and putting everything up. Now, I haven't gone grocery shopping in a really long time, and it got to the point where I was just out of every single thing imaginable that you could think of, and some other people was left in charge of the pantry and things were not put in the proper place. So not only am I cleaning and organizing, but I'm making sure that everything is back in their proper homes. So as you can see now, I'm putting away all the groceries, organizing everything. Most of the items that goes into the pantry are the things that I cook and I use on the regular. So I do try to keep those things heavily stocked up, so when I am ready to use it, I'm not constantly running back to the store. And as you can see, the kids love pasta. I'm not really a big fan though, so I love making them lasagna or spaghetti and meatballs or stuff, penny pasta or something like that. They really do like it. But moving right along, I'm gonna go ahead and move into the other cabinet, which I supply that cabinet with all of the drinks, whether it's the waters, apple juice, Gatorades. Like I said, it's not just the kids, it's the neighborhood kids come over and play. The kids are over here playing. So I just really wanted to make sure that everything was stocked up and ready to go. Alright you guys, if you haven't seen my pantry yet, this is pretty much what it looks like. This last cabinet is the drink cabinet. So I have waters, Gatorades, and then apple juice. I have a lot. I try to keep this area right here kind of stocked. Again, I've been slacking because I haven't been home consistently like before. That's pretty much the little drink corner here. Ooh, if you guys were wondering if I kept it up, it stays up. I mean, they messed it up organization wise. So this right here are condiments, olive oils, Worcestershire sauce. Give me a rag, please. Give me a rag. Give me a rag. But here's this stuff right there. Let me get the olive oil. Give me the olive oil. Thank you very much. This is olive oil.
Feels like I can't hold on.
Alright you guys, there goes the pantry. So what I did is move everything, put everything up. I left the bread back here just so that way everyone can have easy access to see it. This is the replacement knives. I'm still using my own knives so they fall off, and then I'll put it back over there. But for now, it stays here. No one touch it but me, which is really great. Books, all these things are filled up with groceries, with the kids' things. And then school's gonna be starting, so Eden gets a lunchbox. Tris, he eats school lunch. And every now and then, if he doesn't want school lunch, I will buy him lunch and go have lunch with him at his school. It lets me keep an eye on him, let him know that I'm gonna be there. You know how you gotta do when you're a parent. But he has his lunch things right here, and you guys saw all of these if you missed it or something like that. But everything is organized. Look at this. I said to him, put the seasoning up, right? What'd he do? He just threw it. All right, y'all. Aiden wants to give you a tour of his baby shark lunchbox.
So inside here, I could open the head. We eat snacks in class and we eat lunch in the lunchrooms. And I could put some snacks in here. And I have this little zipper so it can't. Get out. Can't get out.
Well, how about you unzip it so you don't put tension on the zipper?
Yeah. And then you could and then you can't actually drink out of this. You have to twist it. You have to twist this like this way so you could drink it, and then it could drink it. And then I zip it back up. And this I like this clipper because you can maybe hang it on your maybe you can hang it on your book bag, or you don't have to hang it on your book bag. I was just thinking about that.
Where did we buy it from?
Sam's Club.
Okay.
And they have more than sharks. They have a girl one, a boy one, and they have more than sharks. And this one, everything is in here. So let me show you that. Let's move that. Now this thing, I kind of like it, and you could put snacks in here, and you can undo it, and you could put 2 snacks in here, and this is the top to close it. And then this is my cookie remover, and you could put cookies in here or a snack or something. And I open this, and you can put a sandwich in here. And it's kind of a little bit sticky on the bottom for these, but look, just put it down. So it's a little bit hard for that.
Well, it's rubbery, so it doesn't slide off the table in case you have a kid. It doesn't slide off the table. I think that's what it's for anyway. Okay. That was a really good review. Do you remember how much it was?
No.
I don't remember either.
I think it was like, only if we bought one thing like this, it'll be, I remember, but we bought too many stuff, so if we
did.
Yeah, so if we just bought one thing like this, and then I'll remember.
So from a scale of 1 to 10, how do you love your lunchbox?
10.
10? All right. I think they appreciate your review, especially with school coming back. They can get one for their kids. This was not sponsored, y'all. He just wanted to do it, so
I
let the kids.
Another shark.
Oh no, that's enough. We only one shark is good. I feel like if you've seen me wash the dishes once, you've seen me wash the dishes twice. You don't have to keep seeing me wash the dishes. It's just to keep. I feel like I clean so much faster when I don't have a camera following me around, and I don't have to keep remembering to move the camera. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said, if you see me wash the dishes once and then you see me wash them twice, you pretty much know my routine. What I like to do is run some hot water in the sink, go ahead and put a little bit of Dawn in the water, and I wash everything. Now this may not make sense to some, but for me it just works. But I do feel like giving the dishes a nice little scrub before putting them in the dishwasher just kind of works for me. It cuts down some of that wash time. Normally, I will try to scrub the pots and pans while I'm cleaning, but I do try to have like one day on the weekend selected to do that. So today's focus really is getting the kitchen clean, getting things back in their proper place, and just making sure the sink is clear of any dishes. The really great thing is my oldest son now, he knows how to at least get the dishes clean enough to go in the dishwasher. So that has helped out tremendously when it comes to the cleanup of that space. So now I'm in the laundry room. This is my utility closet. For those of you guys that are asking, is it still organized? There goes your answer. I do put everything back in order. That's one space that the kids and Babe both have been able to keep under control. And it's probably because they don't really go in there because they're not doing any like heavy cleaning. If anything, they're just kind of wiping the counters down here and there. But that space is still organized. Now that I'm done putting everything in the utility closet, all of that stuff that went into the pantry, all of the kids' snacks and, you know, little things here and there, I'm taking all of the cardboard and I'm crushing it. When I take it outside, I just dump it into the recycling bin. That way the recycling can pick it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and move into the living room. As I said before, I do have some new window treatments coming in. By now you guys probably already seen the new window treatments, but we're not gonna say nothing in the video. But I'm taking the old blinds and I'm putting them away in a box. That way, you know, they could just emergency purposes. But I have my son helping me. Like, he helped me out a lot this day, just trying to get things situated in terms of moving the console, helping me get the blinds inside the box. And it's good that they're getting older because they're getting a lot more responsible when it comes to chores and stuff. Probably because the stuff he asking for be expensive, y'all. I mean, they be real expensive. So I think now he helps because when he asks, it's like I really don't have a reason not to buy it, especially if like his room is clean, he read a book and stuff. So yeah, I think he thinks I'm not onto him, but I'm onto him, y'all. Onto him. But anyway, it's really great having them get a little bit older and pitching out a whole lot more in the house. But that's pretty much that. You guys, you remember this? Look how bright it is. Oh my gosh. It is super bright. It is so bright, y'all. Look at that. Oh, do y'all remember this? Craziness. But I'm tired. I have to get another box because these three are missing. But they're gonna come real early in the morning to add on the new window treatment. So at least that's done. Excuse me. It's super bright. Right? It's super bright. Well, it's too late now because the people are coming tomorrow.
It's too late now.
It's too late.
I thought about it.
What do you mean?
When you asked me if I shut it up, I was like,
Yeah, but at the end of the
You got a
day,
piece right there. You left right there.
I'm tired. I'm done. This really wasn't a clean with me. It was a clean prep. I did the dishes, put things away, and then take this down. I'm gonna do another clean with me once the window treatments get installed and they do all their drilling and everything and get to seeing everything down. I'm gonna have to go and get some caulk so I can caulk around the windows before the shutters get installed inside. And then I gotta just kind of putty some stuff up. And that's gonna be that. Can y'all be quiet behind me, please? And let me talk.
Sorry.
Gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go because I have to make dinner and things like that. But that's it.
What we eating? See that? What we